Welcome to Karrawirra Lockpicking and Locksport. Today the frogs and I are out bush with Joe Pitts in what's called Tulya Wardli, also known as Bonython Park. This is the weir, built in, the original bridge was built in 1839 perhaps, and then they built the weir with the big things that come down to block it off, 1856. So now it just gathers a lot of crud. It can be quite smelly at times, but today it's very nice, so we are going to pick a lock. This is a lock that I won from Joe Pitts. It's a Dimple lock. There's the key. That's the bidding. Smooth as, beautiful. So we're going to try and pick this today with my new Bare Bones Dimple picks. Never had Dimple picks before to pick a Dimple lock, so this is pretty cool. So we're going in like this. Let's get in. You can see a bit of the weir in the background. Here we go. So the pins look like they're coming down from the top, so I'm going to push up. See if that works. Going to go in at the side. A little binder there. Another little click there, little click, tiny little clicks. Subtle feedback. Go through it again. Just gentle little motions. You will get planes, trains, people walking past and cyclists. This is a busy spot right in the heart of the city. We haven't opened. Just locked it up at the top. Just got all the pins stuck. Oh, that went well, didn't it? Well, I might have to try and sort that out later. So all the top pins just dropped into the bottom. Okay, let's try and do a recovery here. Oh, there's no recovery. Okay, let's go to plan B. Back of the pick. Right. Oh, I think I really stuffed this up. This does not seem good. Will the key help? No, everything's stuck. Okay, well I might end up doing my first ever gutting of a dimple lock, but I'll have to see whether those top pins have dropped down. Wow, they've come right down. They're sitting right on that warding. Might require picking. Get them up. Oh, sorry, Joe. I've stuffed the lock up. Well, we shall try and do a recovery on this lock, and possibly in my next video I'll show you either what's inside or that I've got it back to working order. Thanks very much, Joe. Really appreciate all the locks you sent me. It was a great winnings. Thanks for joining us at the weir in Tulya Wardli Park. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.